welcome back to my channel, everybody. Again, my name is Jasmine, aka Belt Madam, and today we are going to have a tutorial. So some of you asked me about my hair for the introduction video that I have on this channel, and I decided to show you guys how I achieved that hairstyle. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use, and let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna show you the items that I'm gonna use today. Don't really think too much into it because I'm sure some of you have something similar or probably the same thing at home too. So first thing first, I have hair clips. Here I have perm rods. I have my denim brush, and I have a comb. And the products that I'm going to use today, seed oil. Oops, here we go, sorry. You don't have to use the same oil. You could use anything you have at home. I have some leave-in conditioner, some spray leave-in conditioner. This is, I love this product. You guys will see, as you can see, it's almost done. I got a favorite. I love Blueberry Bliss. I'm gonna have the products that I'm using in the description below. So let's jump right into it. So I washed and conditioned my hair yesterday, and I have twisted my hair right now. I just use the same products that I have here. That's what I used in my hair yesterday, nothing else. I just twist them and went to bed. So let's go. My hair here, I just use some hair ties and I just wrap my hair to give it a little stretch. That's it. And here you have it. So to start everything, I'm gonna use my hemp seed oil and a little bit on my hands. Always have to use some oil when you're dealing with your hair. First thing first, and I am going to start unraveling. I unravel this. Alright, you guys, so I just untwisted my hair, as you can see, and my next step is I'm gonna use my leave-in conditioner. You don't have to use a spray leave-in conditioner. You could use a water and a spray bottle. You could use anything you have at home basically, but that's what I want to use today. So I'm gonna spray it a little bit, just making sure. The best thing to do, you guys, I don't like really using comb in my hair as much, so I usually do everything with my hands, mostly, to be honest with you. Alright, so I'm gonna separate my hair into 4 sections. I feel like that. Alright, I don't really care about the part because it's not gonna show. And again, I detangle it with my hands. Like I said, I don't really like using a comb in my hair. Everything I do, my hair is so soft right now. I go back with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Ooh. Okay, so right now my hair, as you could see, you guys, my hair is very manageable. I'm able to get my fingers through it. It's really not. Make sure you find a product that makes your hair soft, that goes with your hair. Oh, I forgot to mention, so the style that I'm going to use today is I'm going to braid my hair. have a really tight braid, I don't do tight anything in my hair, then I add add a little bit and shot cream by Curls. I put it at the end and then I twist the end. So then I add my perm rod. That's gonna give me like a nice curl at the end and also help my hair stretch. And that's it. Pretty easy. I'm going up more, I start making the section bigger because ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time to be sitting here for 2 to 3 hours and doing my hair, okay? So you guys, so this is basically it for tonight, and I'm gonna go back with my Mielle straightening oil. It's infused with biotin and encourages growth. And that's set for the night. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow to take those perm rods off and style my hair. So I'll see you tomorrow. Alright you guys, so it's the next day and I am back with the same hairstyle. I haven't taken that bonnet off the whole day and I didn't go nowhere. So this is what we're dealing with. I'm gonna go back with my hemp seed oil from before and I'm gonna go back, add a little bit of hemp seed oil in my hand, then go back and start taking those rods off. Alright you guys, so I finished unraveling the wig. So I'm gonna go with my pick and start picking the roots. Then I have my favorite hair tie here. Well, it's not really a hair tie, but I created it. I don't even remember how I created it, but I think most of you guys have something similar to this at home. Toothbrush and my Eco Styler gel. Then I'm gonna do my edges. I'm not gonna do something with right now. So I'm gonna go in with my scarf. Alright, we are back. Let's see how that goes. I usually have my scarf on for 10 to 15 minutes. I know, it's my edges, you guys. I have to do it. Okay. Then boom. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Alright, you guys, I think this came out really great. I love it. Like and comment below if you want to ask me any question, if you love this hairstyle, if it's something that you do as well, if you have any question on the method that I use. And again, I'm gonna have the products that I've used for this hairstyle on the description below. Thank you for being here and subscribe. Thank you. See you guys in the next one.